Alright, we're back. Time to put the exhaust pipe on. Better we can kind of see. Alright, so first thing I do is get this 1/2 inch bolt out of here. I put a lot on my threads so they tighten down better. Alright, so I got this 2-bolt bracket here. Close to see, I'm guessing here. There we go, better view. Okay, so basically just kind of lay this up on the head. And install it. See how it all fits over here. It's at a totally different angle than it normally is at, so it's going to be a little different. Doesn't look like it's going to line up very well on this hole, but we'll see. Get it in there. Trying to get this bolt to even start in here is going to be a miracle. Yeah, it's not even close to fitting in there. The head rotated too far this way from where it normally is, so nothing's fitting correctly. Alright, so that means I need to move my screws, my bracket back about 1/8 of an inch would be nice, but 1/16 would be perfect. See what we can do about that. Lots of spray lube. Okay, what diameter is this thing? Way smaller than these two. Go down 2 more. Camera's in the way a little bit. That one right there. Alright. Lubricate your clamps, it'll unscrew easier. This clamp's completely broken. Not doing much. Okay. Now I should be able to move this back a little bit. Put it where it fits good. I figure we're going to need to make this one work over here. Go ahead and tighten this clamp down a little bit and it'll center up on the spigot. Get everything where it wants to be, nice and happy. It'll work better that way. Okay, then you go put this one where it wants to be. good right there to me. Okay. Come back and tighten up our hose clamps. And the bracket will center on the pipe wherever it wants to be at. This clamp is junk. Not tightening down at all, so it's garbage. Get it off if we can. There we go. Been overstressed too many times. Okay. I need a new one of these. Let's see, there's some hose clamps up here. So we got big ass ones. Okay. Big ass ones fit too. They just don't look as good. We'll deal with the extra length later. For now, it's just a matter of getting the damn thing together. As it is, I'm going to get about 2 hours sleep, if I'm lucky. I ain't holding my breath on that. It's way too long. How much of this do we not need here? About that much. Oops. Okay. Long, but it fits. Okay. That's tight. That's tight. And that's tight. There you go, exhaust is mounted. Next time I go a lot quicker, because I want to fix all this crap that's broken. It'll fit the bike too, which will make it quicker also. All those are good things. Okay, what's left on this side of the bike? I don't know. I'm done on this side of the bike. Well, except for hooking up a few lines. The nitro stuff is still waiting to be hooked up. Okay, wheels in, chains in, brake was working last time we checked. It's getting a little light. It'll work. I think there's air up in the line. Fred didn't do that right, so I'll probably take it back off up there and play with it a little bit, get it pumped up. Okay, we have some oil in it, but not a lot. Enough to run it on anyway. We have no oil in the primary yet. That'd be that stuff. I have not adjusted the primary chain yet either, so I gotta do that also. And we gotta put the battery in this thing. All right, let me get a few tools together and we'll be back.